Hey guys, it's a bit cloudy and it looks like it rained earlier, or at least overnight. Since I didn't film it the last time, I thought I'd bring you this time. We're doing another cleanup with Save the Bay, and Wolf just pulled up, so here we go. Trash bags, we got our clipboards. You ready?
Ready to go.
Let's go! We're gonna clean up down by the ocean. What do you think? Ocean?
Ocean.
Love it. I love it. I love the smell of the ocean. Ah. I don't think we can take this away. There's plenty of trash in here, and I'm pretty sure we'll find a little bit more right down here, because it looks like these are the tide lines. So pretty. I've kind of tucked myself in this little corner right now, just because there's so much. Everything collects into the underbrush, you can see. Right in there. I gotta get in there too. Well, so far it's interesting. Found a lot of little bits of stuff. And this is getting some weight to it. How you doing, Wolf?
I'm doing all right. It's ridiculous how much trash is on this beach. I challenge anyone in the future, if you're watching this, go for a walk down the beach, enjoy the view. On your way back, actively look for trash, and you'd be surprised at what you see.
I concur. Wow, my hair is crazy right now. Holy wow, lots of trash.
Lots of trash, lots of glass. Not a barefoot beach for sure.
Yeah, I was amazed by how many glass shards we found, and even more surprised because people were walking their dogs down there, you know?
Yeah. I just stopped counting at a certain point.
Well, I think it's a lesson here is properly dispose of your trash. The beach is not for trash. And seriously, guys, they do events like this all the time, so if you want to come, do your part, clean up a beach.
Give it a try, it's nice.
It's enjoyable, surprisingly. Well, we've, I think, had enough. It's time for food. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.